Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to turn raw GitHub source code into a runnable executable file. This process is called compiling or building, so let's get right to it. First, you need to figure out what programming language the project is written in, because GitHub just holds the raw text. You can usually tell by looking at the file extensions, like .py for Python, .cpp for C++, or .cs for C#. Once you know the language, you have to download the specific compiler or build tool for it, such as PyInstaller for Python or Visual Studio for C#. Next, you must read the readme.md file on the repository page. This is the most important step because the original developer almost always includes a section called build instructions or how to run. Do not try to guess the build process, just follow their exact steps. Then, get the code onto your computer. You can either click the green code button and select download zip, or open your terminal and type git clone followed by the repository URL. Extract the files if you downloaded the zip, and open your command prompt or terminal directly inside that new project folder. Finally, run the build commands provided in the README. You'll usually have to install dependencies first, like typing pip install -r requirements.txt for Python or npm install for Node projects. After that, run the actual compile command. When the terminal finishes processing, it will spit out your brand new executable file, usually hiding inside a newly created folder named build, bin, or dist. And that is it. You have successfully compiled source code into a working program. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.